Boys and girls, this tutorial is to help you copy a document and put it into your own folder. So as you remembered, we created a folder the other day for your classroom. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your teacher's website, and so we go to the ASFG website. I click on elementary and teacher websites. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find 4th grade, and here are your teacher's websites. Now let me show you using Mr. Rich's website. If you're in Mr. Rich's class, you can use this. Otherwise, if you're not in Mr. Rich's class, you can go to the teacher you have. So on Mr. Rich's website, I'm going to go down to Book Project Resources. Here Mr. Rich has 2 docs for us to view, and what we're going to do is we're going to open them up. Now notice I have to be in my Google account for this to work. If you're not in your Google account, you might not be able to open this. Now, if we all were able to get in here, I couldn't do anything. So notice I'm trying to type and I can't type anything. So what I need to do in order for this to work for me, I need to make a copy of it. So I'm going to click Make a Copy, and I might say character traits, but instead of that, maybe put Rachel's character traits so that I know and Mr. Rich knows it belongs to me, and I press OK. Now it will create a new document. See, now it's different from the one that Mr. Rich had. I'm going to close Mr. Rich's document and keep mine. So now I can look at this one. And when I reload it, I can share it, I can look at the privacy settings, and then notice I'm the owner now, and I can choose and I can do anything, and I can edit, type anything I want in there. Okay, so now we're going to go back to our drive. If you'll notice in my drive, it automatically came to my drive, Rachel's character traits. But what I want to do is I want to move it into the class folder that I've already made. And I'm going to either copy it and drag it, or remember, I can also, so if I go in here, I can also highlight it and click Move To. And if I click Move To, I can choose where I want it to be moved to. Now it's already here, so I can't do anything. So now, yesterday you learned how to create folders. Let's make a folder in here. So let's say your teacher asks you to create a folder in there, and let's call this one Book Report. Now notice how it said create and share. That means anything in this folder automatically is shared with Mr. Rich. So I'm going to now put this file into that folder. Now everything in my 420, I have my 428 folder, and then I have a book report folder in there. I can then go back to Mr. Rich's website, and now I can click on any other ones that he wants me to download. I can file, make a copy, take out copy of, because we want to rename it. File, make a copy, we want to rename it, so I'm going to say again, Rachel's character trait list, okay, and then again I can delete Mr. Rich's, and now I have my own, and now I can go ahead, go to my drive, and put it in there. Notice it showed up. I put it into 428, but this time instead of moving it like that, holding it down and moving it, I'm going to say move to 428. If I double click, I can put it actually in the folder inside another folder. Move. All right, now you guys try doing that for your teacher's website.